What if I told you that you could start a profitable business, with almost zero investment, help the environment, and tap into a rapidly growing market that people are actively searching for? Imagine getting paid to clean homes and offices using non-toxic, eco-friendly products that families actually trust around their kids and pets. No harsh chemicals, no complicated setup, just a smart, sustainable business model that's in demand right now. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your own eco-friendly cleaning business from scratch, even if you have no experience, no team, and a very small budget. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking for a business idea that's low cost, scalable, and aligned with the future, you're in the right place. The cleaning industry is massive, but here's the exciting part: eco-friendly cleaning is growing faster than traditional cleaning services. More people today are becoming conscious about what goes into their homes, especially when it comes to chemicals and toxins. That means there's a huge opportunity for you to step in and build a business that's not only profitable, but also meaningful. So let's break it down step by step. First, let's understand why this business works so well. Traditional cleaning services often use strong chemical products that can cause allergies, skin irritation, and even long-term health issues. On the other hand, eco-friendly cleaning focuses on natural, non-toxic, and biodegradable products. Now think about your target customers: families with children, pet owners, offices that care about employee wellness, even Airbnb hosts who want better reviews. These people are actively looking for safer alternatives. And here's the best part: you don't need a huge investment to get started. Unlike many businesses, you don't need a shop, expensive machinery, or a large team. You can literally start solo and grow over time. This is what makes it such a powerful business idea for beginners. Now before you jump in, you need to decide your niche. Not all cleaning businesses are the same, and choosing a clear focus will help you stand out quickly. You could start with residential cleaning, which means cleaning homes and apartments. This is the easiest entry point and perfect if you're just starting out. Or you could go for office cleaning, which usually brings in bigger contracts and consistent monthly income. Another powerful niche is move-in and move-out cleaning. People are often willing to pay more for deep cleaning when shifting homes. And if you really want to stand out, you can specialize in things like eco-friendly deep cleaning or post-renovation cleaning using non-toxic methods. The key here is not to try everything at once. Start simple, pick one niche, and build your reputation there. Let's talk about what you actually need to get started. One of the biggest advantages of this business is that your startup costs can be extremely low. You'll need basic cleaning tools like microfiber cloths, brushes, mops, and spray bottles. But the real difference comes from your cleaning products. Instead of chemical-based cleaners, you'll use eco-friendly alternatives. This could include things like vinegar, baking soda, lemon, Castile soap, and plant-based cleaning solutions. You can either make your own DIY cleaning products or buy certified eco-friendly brands, depending on your budget and preference. Also, invest in a simple uniform or dress code. It creates a professional image and builds trust instantly with clients. At this stage, keep it simple. You don't need fancy branding or expensive equipment. Focus on effectiveness and reliability. Now comes one of the most important parts: how to price your services. As a beginner, you might feel tempted to charge very low just to get clients, but that's a mistake. Instead, position your service as a premium, safer alternative. Eco-friendly cleaning is not just cleaning, it's a healthier lifestyle choice. And people are willing to pay more for that. You can charge based on the size of the space, the type of cleaning, or even hourly rates. Start by researching what local cleaning services charge in your area, and then price yourself slightly higher if you're offering eco-friendly solutions. Remember, you're not just selling cleaning, you're selling safety, sustainability, and peace of mind. Now let's talk about the part most people worry about: getting your first clients. The truth is, your first 5 customers are the most important. Once you get them, everything else becomes easier. Start with people you already know. Friends, family, neighbors. Let them know you're starting an eco-friendly cleaning service. Offer them a discounted trial in exchange for honest feedback and testimonials. Next, use local platforms. Post in Facebook groups, WhatsApp communities, and local classifieds. Keep your message simple and clear, highlight that you use non-toxic, eco-friendly products that are safe for kids and pets. You can also go door to door in your area, especially in apartments and gated communities. A simple introduction with a small printed flyer can work surprisingly well. Another powerful strategy is before and after content. Take photos of your work and post them on social media. People love visual proof, it builds instant trust. And don't underestimate word of mouth. If you do a great job, your first clients will naturally recommend you to others. Now let's make your business look professional, even if you're just starting. First, choose a simple, clean business name that reflects eco-friendliness. Something that immediately tells people what you do. Next, create a basic logo using free tools. It doesn't have to be perfect, just clean and recognizable. Set up a Google business profile so people can find you locally. This is extremely powerful for getting organic clients in your area. Also, create an Instagram page where you post your work, tips, and cleaning transformations. This is especially important if you want to grow fast. Consistency matters more than perfection here. Even simple posts can build credibility over time. And remember, branding is not just about visuals. It's about how you communicate. Be friendly, professional, and reliable. Here's the secret that will set you apart from 90% of your competitors: your service quality. Always be on time, respect your client's space, pay attention to details. When you're cleaning, don't just do the basics, go the extra mile. Small things like neatly arranging items, leaving a fresh natural scent, or adding a handwritten thank you note can leave a lasting impression. Also, educate your clients. Briefly explain the benefits of eco-friendly cleaning and how it improves their indoor environment. This builds trust and positions you as an expert, not just a cleaner. And after every job, ask for a review. This is crucial. Positive reviews will become your biggest marketing tool. Once you start getting consistent clients, it's time to think about growth. You can begin by hiring 1 or 2 helpers and training them in your eco-friendly methods. This allows you to take on more jobs without burning out. Next, create service packages, weekly cleaning, monthly deep cleaning, or subscription plans. This gives you predictable income every month. You can also partner with local businesses like real estate agents, Airbnb hosts, or offices. These partnerships can bring in regular, high-value clients. Over time, you can expand into selling eco-friendly cleaning products or even offering workshops. The goal is to move from doing everything yourself, to building a system that works without you. So there you have it. Starting an eco-friendly cleaning business is not only possible, it's one of the smartest and most future-proof business ideas you can start today. You don't need a huge investment. You don't need experience. You just need to start. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more business ideas and step-by-step guides like this. And tell me in the comments, would you start this business? Or are you already planning it? I'll see you in the next video.